Hi everyone, this is Steven. So anyway, a bunch of my YouTube subscribers have asked me, how does a person with my particular learning disability study? I'm going to show you with a couple demonstration models. So this is how I'm studying sometimes when I would study the heart for anatomy and physiology. This is the model of the heart, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. This is the right atrium, left ventricle. This is the anterior coronary sulcus. This is the aorta. Brachial, cephalic, axillary aorta. Right over here, these are your pulmonary veins. These are your pulmonary arteries. Right, that goes to the lung. This is the pulmonary trunk. That's a semilunar valve. That's a tricuspid valve. This right over here is a semilunar valve right over here, and this is the right pulmonary valve. That's also semilunar. This is the aortic valve. That's the tricuspid valve right over here. So I do a lot of tactile touching when I'm studying, especially with my learning disability. I like to use models a lot. Flashcards are also great. Yeah, being learning disabled can be challenging for a lot of people. Give me a second. I'm just loading up I've tried to load up some of my flashcards, so give me just 1 second. I use my PC a lot for building my flashcards. Sorry about the uncomfortable pause for a second. So when I'm studying anatomy and physiology, you have to go for an anatomical position. I usually go from where a person would be standing straight forward, sagittal, frontal position. This is sagittal. Just split down right over here. Frontal position is facing towards the front. This is the ventral. That's sagittal, frontal. Yeah, this is sagittal. This is transverse. Dorsal's on your back. And when you talk about cephalic, it comes from your head. So when I'm creating my own flashcards, sometimes I might do something like this part using Microsoft Word. And Microsoft Word creates a generalized flashcard. It's like the number 1. What is the cell? Well, the cell is the basic unit of life, and it's a structural functional unit. It's also made of organelles, small kind of mini organs that basically keep us alive. The back of the cell is all living organisms. Back, and the cell is all living organisms are composed of cells, which carry out essential life processes. Homeostasis, like this is one of my flashcards I use. What term describes the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment? It's homeostasis. It is the process by which the body regulates its internal environment to maintain stability. Skeletal system. What are the main functions of the skeletal system? To support movement, protection, bone, blood production, mineral storage, and endocrine regulation. I also use Microsoft Word when I'm naming organs. I'll show you guys a quick example of that part. See, I'm creating a set of flashcards right now where I'm naming all the bones, bony landmarks, grooves, to identify all the bones right over here. I'm lower it down for a second. Now you can kind of see about that part, but you can actually use Microsoft Word is actually